Hi, this is Catherine at cqcounseling.com. Today I want to give you a tip for a communication tool you can use. It's really helpful generally in your life, and I would say definitely start practicing it in times when there are just calm, great emotions, everything's going great. And then you'll be better able to use it in times when emotions are really heightened and when this becomes really, really important. So I want you to kind of think about how your interactions generally go. When you're upset about something, do you tend to start blaming others and saying, you always do this, you never do this, why are you this way? And everything becomes really global and it becomes personal. It becomes an attack about that person instead of about a behavior or an actual event of something that was not the way you wanted it to be. When you can focus in on an event and a behavior instead of making it a personal attack, then you can actually have more of a productive conversation. One, you're engaging with the person and making a connection like we had talked about before, which is really essential for that person being open to you and even wanting to change anything for you instead of feeling shamed and shut down. Or in contrast, explosive and angry, right? So things that are volatile like that, they're either going to ramp the other person up and you're going to keep ramping up and up and up, or one person's going to shut down and withdraw. This happens with spouses and with kids, as well as possibly other relationships, but that's probably where you're going to see it the most often. Any sort of really close relationship like that. So I want you to think about instead, if you're communicating what you need and what you think, that opens the door to changing what's happening. So if instead of saying, you never take out the trash, why don't you care about me? You're an awful person. You're lazy, whatever, comes to mind. If you say, I feel really unappreciated or anxious or stressed or whatever it is, when I see that the trash hasn't been taken out and I feel like then I have to do it on top of everything else I do, I feel angry, upset, whatever it is. It would really help me feel better and feel like we're on the same team if you could take the trash out without me reminding you. That is such a different experience. And I want you to try that kind of shift. So there is actually a template for it. It's called I statements. And I will post that on my website as well, and on the Facebook feed. So you say, I feel blank when you blank or when this happens. Would you please do this instead? It would help me if you did this instead. And see how that goes for you. Please give me your responses. Let me know how that goes. And I will see you again next time. Thanks. Bye.